Hi everyone, just got a video for you on a way to dry your paint roller brushes using existing tools in your shed or garage. So I've got here a drill bit set which I no longer use, but I've got these hole saw bits here, and the 38mm is the perfect diameter to fit into a paint roller. And so what we need to do is basically just get this fitted onto a drill, and I'll demonstrate how you can easily dry your paint roller brushes. Okay, so I've got the 38mm hole saw bit attached to the power drill. You can use any drill, cordless or powered, but for this demo it's probably going to look better if I use powered. And I've got the wet paint roller brush, and we'll just give it a go. There we go. Hope that helps you out if you need to dry your paint roller brushes. Thanks for watching. Cheers.